nowadays, if you want to learn something, you can do it with the use of the internet, because you will find many good things there. You just need to know how and where to search. And it's not so difficult, so actually you don't need to go to the college. You can just watch my channel and we will educate you in everything: psychology, history, economy, mathematics, physics, anthropology, you name it. But today, of course, mathematics, one of my favorites, and it's really a tip for life for you, because the fact is, you have a sum of money, and it's money, and let's say you have 100, whatever, dollars or euros, and the bank says the interest rate is 5%, that means 0.05. And let's say you will keep the money for 6 years, so what is years? And then the bank says to you, do you want to interest rate to be calculated, this is compound interest, then yearly, which means n will be 1, or monthly, then n will be 12 because it's 12 months, weekly, n will be 54, or even daily, n will be 364, or 5 sometimes. And you will think and you will say, of course it's the best if they do it every day, so you will choose 364. And it's correct actually, but it's not such a difference as one would expect. And this formula is also important in mathematics in connection to the exponential function which you may have heard of course. And the result is n times, now this is bracket, 1 means 100%, plus x divided by n, and this is the trick of the bank, this n, and then on the power of y times n. And for homework you can calculate, and you will see that for all these different numbers of n, the result is not so different. So it's not so important whether you say you would like daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, it's almost the same. That's what I wanted to tell you today. So thank you for your attention, and see you soon.